How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves, if you're new here, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you what I got going on today with my coral color looks. And it's the new hot summer living room tour. So over here, I'm going to start on this end table right here. This lamp I know you've seen many times before. It's an alabaster lamp, and I want to say I got it from Wayfair, but I will link everything down in my description box under the video just in case you are interested in where I got any of these things from. Okay, so on the side here is a DIY, and those are some Dollar Tree florals that I already had in the color coral. And always have my little tissue box sitting right here. And I have this candle that looks coral. I believe it's called Margarine Orange, and I believe I picked that up from Walmart. And these are some DIY coasters that I made with the pearls going all around. And I just have seen up here, this is just my fan. Let me show you guys. I always keep my fan over here. And I got this beautiful fan from the Dollar Tree. It says Hallelujah. And I just love it. So I keep it over here so I can fan myself. And down below I just have that little lantern that was a DIY that I made. Over here in the corner, I have my stone elephants with my stone pillar. I've had that for years. This was a DIY Chanel mirror that I had made. Right here was just this little hanging lamp that I purchased from Michael's. I've been had that for a while. And those are my DIY flowers that I've been had up there that I still haven't changed out yet. I'm looking for that perfect piece of art that I want to put up there. And those are some DIY candle holders. They are mirrored. And guys, on this sectional, this is a new sectional. I just purchased this. I've had it for now about 4 or 5 months now. I am loving this new sectional, guys. It is super bigger than the one that I had. It's not that much bigger, but it is in size a little bit bigger. So it comes further over to the wall over there. And I am just loving this sectional. It is so comfortable, guys. Believe me. And also a feature that I love about it is that you can lift and place these up on the back for a headrest, or just you want to sit straight up. And it has, I think, 2 positions. That's the second position, and then it goes back down. This arm on the side does the same thing. You can raise it or lift it down. And that one right there on the back as well. Now on it I have my pillow covers. These are all pillow covers except for the faux fur ones right there. I've been had these in the color coral. These are my glam pillows I always have up here. I will be changing them out for my next look. I will be changing those out. So you will see some different pillow covers. These are new. They are from Amazon, and they are the coral. It's like an ombre, and then it's like a gray at the bottom. But actually the gray goes at the top and the coral goes at the bottom. But I liked it this look better, so I just flipped them over. And there's my leather pillow. And there's my coral throw. Same thing going on this side, guys. And I want to tell you that this is not a sponsored video for Wayfair for the couch. It is not sponsored. I just love it, and I just wanted to let you guys know how comfortable it is. We did have a little trouble putting the legs on because it's a very modern couch, and if I can show you here, the legs are very modern. It's like a steel piece under the bottom, and we did have a little trouble getting those on, but that was the only thing that I didn't like. But other than that, the couch is wonderful, trust me. My little elephant, same thing as on the other side. And I have a leather pillow there. Now guys, on this side, on my end table, there's the same lamp. And I have this coral candle. I can't see what it's called. Oh, it's Lava Citrus. And it smells absolutely wonderful. Even though I haven't lit it yet, it still smells good. And those are some more faux flowers. And there is my candle that my daughter gave to me from a new store that was opening up, and I absolutely love it. I don't have it lit right now. And there's my lantern sitting down there. Okay, so right here I have another DIY candle holder. It's mirrored, and I have some faux flowers from the Dollar Tree and some picks in there. And these candle holders here are from the Dollar Tree. I've had those. And right here, this is a piece that my hubby picked out when we were at Home Goods. I've had it for a while. I wasn't feeling it at first, but I am starting to like it now. This piece is alabaster, and it's genuine alabaster. And let's see. Yeah, so it's pretty weighty. It's real heavy. It is very weighty, guys. Very weighty. And this cost $49. I believe that's $49.99. Yeah. I believe that's how much that is. And I love it, so I'm displaying it on my coffee table. And the mirrored tray came from Home Goods. Had that for a while. And I just have this little gem right there. And that's just my remote for my colors on my TV. And this ottoman, I have changed it out from the other ottoman that I had to match the couch. I already had this ottoman, so it was in my daughter's room, and I switched out with her with the one that I had down here before. So this one goes perfect with the sectional. The fur rug came off of Amazon. I guess you've seen that many times before. The coral curtains came from Amazon. They are 84 inches long, and they're sheer. Now up here I just have some greenery, little silver pineapple from the Dollar Tree. The candle holder is from Home Goods. The picture is from Dollar General. And my candle holders there are from Bath, Bed, and Beyond. My DIY designer books. Just my pictured sign that I put in there. Just a vase sitting in there as a filler. And I just have some more candle holders down there with the candle holders came from Home Goods. And I just have my TV right there. Hi guys. And on my fireplace, which was a DIY. Up here I have these mirrored candles. These came off of Amazon. And the candle holders are from the Dollar Tree. I spray painted them. And I have these pineapples from the Dollar Tree last year. And my main box is here from Z Gallery. This camera, guys, I thought this was just so adorable. I found this in Dollar Tree, and I just fell in love with it. I was like, I gotta get this. This is so different. I wouldn't think you would be able to find something like this in the Dollar Tree. So, yeah, I picked it up. And there's my pineapples from Home Goods. Up here, I have a pineapple thing going on, guys. These are some more pineapple candlesticks I got from Family Dollar years ago. And the candles are DIY. Some more greenery. The vase was gifted to me. And there's my elephant that I DIY'd. And some orbs. Some more designer books. My sign and a little candle holder, and a vase with some more Dollar Tree flowers. This Mercury vase came from Home Goods, and just some vase and some more candle holders down there. This horse right here, this horse head came from Home Goods. My husband picked that out about 2 years ago, I believe. Now we're going to move to this side. Guys, you know I am obsessed with lights. I mean obsessed. I have lights everywhere, okay? I love them. I just love the glow that they give off. And I DIY'd this greenery and just added some florals and picks in there and strung some lights around them. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And my mirrored stand, I forgot where I got those from. I believe it was a Favor Mart. I have two of them. One is upstairs and one is down here. And over here, I just have these coral candles that I DIY'd, my lantern, and a mirrored DIY box. This is my shoe cubby where everyone puts their shoes. And you've seen this many times before, guys. This clock is from Burlington's. And those, I don't know what you call them, the metal black pieces up there, I've had those for years. And this is the bar area. So yeah, these are some coral feathers that I got off of Amazon. I have some over there and I have some on this side. And you've seen my bar set up, I'm pretty sure, in some of my other videos. So nothing's new here except for the feathers. Everything is basically the same. Except for this. I just added this for a decorative piece for like a little bar towel. And guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my coral tour. I hope you got some inspiration and some ideas to decorate before the summer is over with the coral color. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you like the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to share. And also, please leave me a comment down below. I love reading your comments. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.